Hi Immians, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my chronic dandruff story. And this is a strange topic for me. I've never done, videos on hair care, but I got a couple of questions from a couple of you guys on Instagram, and I wanted to help you out because I literally had the same problem for 2 entire years. Actually, I had dandruff for 3 years, but the really bad dandruff was for 2 solid years, and this is the only thing that worked for me. So today I'm going to share it with you guys. Before I move on to my remedy, if you guys have not already subscribed to my YouTube, hit the subscription box below and do not forget to hit that little bell icon so you guys can get notified every time I upload. And let's move right on to the video. Okay guys, dandruff can actually have several causes. It could be fungal, it could be because of dry scalp, sensitive scalp, you could be shampooing too much, you could be using chemicals on your scalp which don't suit your scalp. It could also be a condition called seborrheic dermatitis. And obviously I did not know what was going on with me because initially I tried an antifungal shampoo. It's called Selsun and it's got an antifungal agent in it. I used that shampoo for 3 entire months, no difference, literally no difference. Then I also started doing like a half lemon and not half, like 1 part lemon, 2 parts water, rinse about once a week or twice a week. Every time I would shower, I would do that rinse on my hair and just not wash it out. That would help me for about 3 to 4 weeks, and then my dandruff was back. It was so itchy, guys. It was so annoying. I used to want to like itch my head off. It was just really annoying basically. And then what I also tried was apple cider vinegar. So you guys know I love apple cider vinegar, and you can do another remedy where I had 1 part apple cider vinegar and 2 parts of the water. Now this is also very great. The apple cider vinegar really did help me, but after about 2 to 3 months my dandruff was back. So then I wanted to get to the root cause, like why am I getting this itchy scalp and why is it so annoying and why isn't it going away? And another thing that I want to mention is that, like, obviously I was clean, I do shower daily, but I used to wake up at 5:30 in the morning. I used to go to the gym, work out, and I had my hair covered while I was working out. And then obviously all that sweat is trapped inside. I would come home and let my hair kind of dry a little bit from the sweat, use this dry shampoo, and then I would go straight to work. So there was only about 1 hour where my hair was actually open at home, and then I would head straight to work. I used to work 8-9 hours, I still do. So my hair was like trapped in a bun, on my head for that entire time. And I think the sweat from the morning I would run or do any workouts, I think the sweat was trapped in there, and that caused my dandruff as well. So I still do work out in the morning, but I don't do it every day, so I think that also helped. But another thing that has literally really helped my hair health, this thing has not only grown my hair is silkier, smoother, and it's much longer as well, and it's also helped with frizz. So this is a great product overall, and that is henna. Just a disclaimer, if you guys have not light colored hair, this can actually, this will actually color your hair dark brown, like more like an orangey color. So I'm sorry guys, if you have light colored hair, this won't suit you. But if you have dark hair or brown hair, this is perfect. And I like this brand henna. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but it's called Noor Henna. And I will try to find it online and link it below, but my mum actually got this one for me because she used it in her hair and she has great results from it. But it's actually a special type of henna. Now another name for henna is mehndi, and brides, or when we have special occasions in Pakistan, we get henna done on our hands, we get mehndi done on our hands, and I'm sure a lot of you guys know about it. But this powder that I was using on my hair, it's also got aloe vera, neem, Neem is really good for your hair as well. And it's got amla, shikakai, and methi. And these are things which are great for your hair. My mum always used to tell me when I was a kid that her grandma used to use these on her hair, and she had it for like, she had really amazing like black hair for her whole life. But obviously we are so busy, you know, nowadays we don't have time to get these things and crush them up or boil them up or soak them and then use them in our hair. So I really like this powder because everything's already inside. And now I'm going to show you guys how I actually create the paste to apply on the hair. Okay, so I'm just going to move straight onto the recipe. This is really easy to do, and let's move right into it. So we are starting with about half a cup of henna. Now you'll need different amounts of henna according to the length of your hair. So it's roughly about 30 grams of henna to 120 mils of water. And this amount that I'm making is enough to cover my roots and also my entire hair, the length of my hair. My hair is quite long, so this is enough for me. So I'm just going to get half a glass of the henna. This is already measured out in the bag. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to brew some tea. So just get some black tea. I would recommend 2 tea bags. If you want to do 3 tea bags, you can do 3 tea bags. We are going to brew this tea for about 3 to 5 minutes. And this tea is going to go into our henna mixture. Now, while the tea is getting a little bit warmer, we are going to add the juice of 1 whole lemon into the henna mixture or the henna powder. Now we're just going to mix the henna powder until it forms a thick paste, and I'm going to add in some olive oil. Now this is extra virgin cold pressed olive oil, and I would recommend using olive oil as well. If you have extremely dry and frizzy hair, you can also use avocado oil, but my hair really suits the olive oil. So I'm going to add in about 3 to 4 spoons of the olive oil. You can do this according to your liking. And now that the tea is a little bit cooler, I'm going to start adding a little bit tea, and I'm going to start mixing the powder. I would recommend to add the tea in slowly and then kind of, you know, keep going until you get a nice paste. Okay guys, we have made our henna. Now I would advise you to put in warm water or warm tea when you're making the henna. It just really helps the everything out of the powder to kind of just come out. I don't know how to explain it in English, but it just really helps you make a better mixture. But what I like to do is I like to do this on dirty hair. So if you have 2-day washed hair, it's probably better. Okay, I just realized that the sun is getting much brighter behind me. So I'm going to adjust my lighting and I will be back. Okay, that's a bit better. It's pretty much sunset. So yeah, the sun was hitting my eye. So what you want to do is you want to apply this on dirty hair. And make sure you don't have oil in your hair. It's just, you know, maybe 2 or 3 day old hair. And we are going to start applying this. Try to apply it with a brush and wear gloves, guys. Another tip I would give you guys is to put a bit of Vaseline on your ears or around your hairline and your forehead, because this can stain the skin. I know it's a big hassle to do, and trust me guys, I really, you know, I hate the whole process, but what it has done for my hair has changed my life. I did this 2 to 3 times. I do it every 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and I have no dandruff at all. Another thing for hijabis I would recommend is to do a hot wash of all your hijabs and all your undercaps, and also the scrunchies that you wear. So what I did was I got all my hijabs, absolutely every hijab, I put them in the wash. I actually put some detergent in there as well, and I put them on a hot wash and I let them all wash after I did this treatment. And I have seen amazing results. So I hope you guys try this really easy remedy out. I want to share more hair care recipes with you guys. I know so many for how to get longer hair, how to get darker hair if you've got white hair strands, for how to get silky hair, but I just feel really bad because like I cover my hair and I want to show you guys how to do it, but I don't have anyone to demonstrate it on. So, and because I live away from my family, it's just really hard to demonstrate it. But I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscription box below and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!